right, so our next question is, could I pass the CPC or CCS exams without a 2 or 4-year degree? So there are schools out there. You know, Kahima is very well known for like their RHIT and their RHIA programs requiring that you go to certain schools that are approved by them. I know when I went to become an occupational therapist, there was only certain colleges that qualified to even provide an OT curriculum, and you had to graduate from that particular program before you could even sit for the occupational therapy board exam. With coding, it's not that way, especially with the AAPC. Anyone can take it. Anyone could take it, put in your application, you could take it. Obviously, you're not going to pass unless you do some sort of preparation. So you want to do either, you can go to a college course. Maybe some people want to get a college degree and they want to learn coding. I know for myself, when I used to teach at Drexel University in Philadelphia, they were one of the first schools. We developed an associate's program with medical billing and coding, and no other college in the country had done that yet, so they were the first ones. So I was really proud to be a part of that. And that, but you don't have to have a degree in this career field. That's what's great about it. If you have it, yes, you'll probably advance quicker and go farther, but it's not a requirement. So to be able to do an online course and learn this content within 4 to 6 months and be sitting for a certification exam and probably employed within 1 calendar year is pretty amazing, I think. So can you pass without a 2 and 4-year degree? Absolutely. We do it all the time. But there's nothing wrong with getting your degree as well. I don't know if you wanted to share anything on that one.
I don't have a degree. I'll share that piece.
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually 2 courses short of my bachelor's. But when I started doing this, almost 15 years ago, I didn't have a college education. I simply had a lot of experience in the healthcare field. The extent of my education before I passed the CPC was a very intensive 1-week boot camp in addition to the day-to-day work experience that I had actually working in the field. And that was back before, I think it's now HC Pros boot camp, but back then it was owned by a guy by the name of Hugh Aaron, who was an attorney, and kind of that was his niche. That's what he did.
Mm-hmm.
And I attended one of those. So it can be done, and you can
Absolutely.
be very successful in it. It's all what you make it.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. Do the 2 and the 4-year degrees allow you to open certain doors with certain companies? Yes. Mm-hmm. But many of them also look at education.